Good morning, everybody. My name is Jonathan. This is Selina. Welcome to Jonathan Explores. So today we are at Igatpuri. We have just passed the Ghat section between Kasara and Igatpuri, and this place is around 125-130 kilometers away from Mumbai. So we stopped here to take in the view. As you can see, very beautiful view behind me. It's a valley, and there are two hills on either side. There are a lot of monkeys roaming around here as well. So today's plan is to visit another unmarked location on Google Maps. It's a lake. So just like in the last video, we explored an unmarked location. This video also we are exploring some unknown places. And if you haven't seen the last video, you can go ahead and watch it. And the last video was amazing. The place that we found was totally scenic, and there were no other tourists over there. We were the only people over there, and local village people. So it was a very nice experience. We enjoyed ourselves. So today our plan is to go to the local fish market over here. It's in Goti. That is one station ahead of Igatpuri. So we'll go there. We'll purchase some. If we find fresh fish, we'll purchase fish, or we'll purchase some chicken or something nice, something that we like, and we'll cook it at the lake. Chalo, let's go. So we've located a spot on the map where we would like to cook our lunch. So on the way to that place on the map, we found a village where there is a person selling chickens over here. So we thought we'll stop and buy some chicken to make for lunch. So we'll buy the chicken and then we'll continue, and then we'll search for a spot where we can cook. Nice, scenic, beautiful spot by the lake. Let's go. Again it jumped out, the chicken.
Sat on her only. पण आणतात कसं बाजार? गाडी आहे?
The motorcycle ले go. Take on the motorcycle.
No, some cars come नेते.
मोठी गाडी जाता होत्या, आता मोठी गाडी
हा ते नेतात गाडीवाले.
लय पैसे देता.
हा.
See, for them motorcycles make a lot of sense,
Yeah.
because they give very good mileage, and you can
No, but for water
tie
they have to go
baskets
in
and all. For water,
Water also they have to go far away.
but what in the tempo?
Yeah, they're going into tempos or something and getting water because it's very far away to walk and come every day, she said. That's why they can't grow trees, they say. Plants and all.
But then for the farm, how does the water come from the farm?
आता काही
Go there and they get from that lake.
Can't be possible. They are pumping it here.
No.
For farm, you know how much water is required in a farm.
That's what she said just now, that lady earlier, that they have to go there and for the farms, there something is provided, she said.
Yeah, 100%. So many gallons of water will be required for farm.
What they must have provided as in coming from that dug canal.
Maybe, but I'm sure they're not going
Then
to
they
carry
can't
water,
drink.
bring from
Yeah.
far
No,
and
for
then put it
drinking
here.
that is. They're carrying.
But very nice place, very beautiful. That hill over there looks awesome. Rocky mountain, no?
Animals also might come in the night.
Yeah, there'll be leopards and all, for sure. They'll come to drink water at the lake, no?
Yeah.
Leopards.
See, they put on the bike also, no? Those carriers so that they can carry
Baskets.
baskets, yeah. So at all times only one person can go on that.
लय गरम वाटतंय इकडे लय उकडं वाटत
What you saying? Very hot.
She's saying it feel very hot inside. ये पत्रा है ना पत्रा?
पत्रा के वजह से.
पत्र्यान तापात आहे
म्हणून.
Tin roof, na? You'll feel very hot. What is this? Not tin, some other material.
Cement that is concrete patra.
Concrete. Still you'll feel hot. Still it'll be hot inside. I don't think they have fans also inside, no? Do they? I don't think so. Look at that big spider on the wall.
Where?
There. There.
Can't see.
There. Skinny legs it's got.
पुरा निलायेल
You didn't see? On the cement it is, see that.
I can't see it from here.
There, that spider. Just above, just above head.
Yeah. I saw it now.
I am a spider detective.
Detective.
Spider detective.
Spider detective.
Everywhere there's a spider, I'll see it. We arrived at this lake around half an hour ago. I don't know the name of this lake. It's not written on the map. But it's a very, very beautiful place, very beautiful lake. And while coming, I had to use my multi-tool to break the thorns from the bushes because the path for the car was too narrow and those thorns would have scratched the car's paint. It's still a new car. I'm taking care not to damage the paint job. So I had to cut a lot of thorns and bushes just to bring the car over here till this camping spot. Right now, Serena is cleaning the chicken. We plan to make chicken curry, chicken fry and rice. So she's already started cleaning it. After that, we'll start cooking and we'll enjoy ourselves. Look, that side also they're burning something, love. On that hill. Everywhere they are burning, no? On the hillsides. Fire everywhere. Winglet. I'm feeling very hungry, love. There are fishermen fishing over here. They've got these inflated tire tubes. Seems like inflated tire tubes that they're using as boats. I don't know this sort of technique they're using there. They're hitting the water with something. It's creating like a loud sound, I think, to move the fish around. Not really sure. So guys, this is the last thing that we are cooking. We are frying the chicken right now. Everything else is ready. Rice we made. Chicken curry is ready. Now we're just waiting for this. Both of us are very hungry. We are waiting to eat, waiting to get our hands on the food. So this will get done in another 10-15 minutes, and after that we'll eat, and then I'll show you guys. We'll go for a walk. We'll take in the sights. Chalo. I think it's cooked perfectly. I don't know. Left to be seen. But mostly 90% it's cooked. I'm 90% sure it's cooked. Because we put the lid, na, it's like pressure cooking. Top and bottom. Chalo guys, food is ready. I'm starving, so is Selena. Let's eat. In the RV Beach video, Selena took the responsibility and she cooked the entire meal. This time I said I'll take the responsibility, and I have cooked the entire meal today. Chicken curry, chicken fry and rice. So time for me to try it out. I have tasted everything while cooking. I tasted. I'll say nothing is gone bad. I think it's pretty tasty. It's very good. So now we'll eat. Chalo.
The chef has
Let me taste everything together. Rice and the chicken curry and the chicken fry. Chalo, let's eat. Let me taste the chicken curry first with the rice. Super. Time to try the chicken leg. Very nice. Salt and everything is perfect. Guys, check it out. Cooked till the bone. No pink, full white. Curry came out the best. I'm loving it. That local taste also, no? This gouty chickens taste the best. Better than broiler any day. Always the meat is much more tasty of the gouty chicken. Maybe because they run around.
free roaming. Yeah.
Maybe because they run around, eat worms and stuff. So guys, after eating, we packed all our stuff up, and straight away we left from there because we didn't want to drive up the hill in the dark, because there were a lot of thorns and bushes there which could have scratched the car, which I would have not seen in the dark. So that's why we left fatafat, packed up the stuff, left, and now we are on the road that in the village that is nearby. So this brings us to the end of another video, another exploration. The link for this place, the Google Maps link for this place will be in the description. So if any of you guys want to visit, you can visit. I mean, there were no tourists. It was just me and her, and the localites were fishing in the lake, and they were swimming in the water, but they didn't come anywhere near us, and it was like totally secluded place. So thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.